Hello everyone, welcome to the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. I am Krishna Chaitanya and this is Crack the Logic with KC. Over the next 100 days, you will be solving one hand-picked LRDI set every single day, a mix of basic to advanced questions which cover all the concepts required for CAT. We are also uploading quant and verbal videos as a part of this series. Make sure you watch all the 3 playlists for a complete preparation. To practice under exam pressure, all the sets we are discussing over here across all the sections are available in our website for completely free of cost. Just sign up to www.thegurukul.org.in and you can find a course called 100 Days Race to CAT. And all the sets over here are completely free for you to practice. Remember, CAT exam isn't about how perfect you are, it is about how consistent you are in your preparation. So let's not waste time and quickly jump into the video. So today we'll be solving one more LRDI problem, and pause the video, try to solve the problem, and then we'll see what is happening in the question. Okay, let's see what is happening. In an organization, there are 7 departments: MR, HR, FN, OP, TC, TL, AD. The table given below shows the number of employees in a few combinations of 4 departments taken together. This table gives you the combination of total number of employees. The line graph shows the percentage of male employees in the mentioned departments. So in MR 70% are male. If 70% are male, which means remaining 30% are female. In HR 40% are male, which means remaining 60% are female. That's how we have a line graph also. So this is a combination of 2 different DA questions, one with a table, one with a line graph. So let's see what is happening in this question. First of all, just by looking at the table, whenever you have too many variables, understand one thing: there can be values which are repeating. MR is there, MR is there. So MR is here, MR is here, MR is here, and MR is here. MR is coming 4 times. HR, 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 and HR. HR is coming 4 times. Let's see one more: FN, 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 and FN. FN is coming 4 times. So by default, can I say every value is coming 4 times? Which means 4 times of MR plus HR plus FN plus OP plus TC plus TL plus AD should be equal to sum of all those values, that is 870 plus 600 plus 780 plus 670 plus 630 plus 850 plus 640. Yes or no? That's a basic information. So sum of all these values should be equal to, quickly find out the sum of all the numbers. Perfect. This will be equal to 5040, and here 4 is there, that 4 will come here, which is equal to 1260. Now what is that 1260? 1260 is the sum of all the employees in the organization in all the departments when they are taken together. That is the first part of the question. See if there is any question which is asking about that. No, nothing. Perfect. Next, can I find individual values of each department? If you look at first one and second one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you look at first one and second one carefully, 1 plus 2 will give me MR plus HR plus FN plus OP plus TC plus TL plus AD, sum of everything, plus another MR will be equal to 870 plus 600, which is equal to 1470. Yes or no? Perfect. But I already know sum of all these values will be equal to 1260 plus MR is equal to 1470. So MR value will be equal to 1470 minus 1260, which is 210. Now what is this 210? The strength of MR. Clear? Let us see one more value. If I take, there should be only one common value, then we can take it. Can I take second one and third one? If you take second one and third one, TC is common. So let us write again. So TC plus TL plus AD plus MR plus HR plus FN plus OP, this total value plus TC is equal to 600 plus 780, which should be equal to, perfect, 1380. But I already know this total value is 1260. So 1260 plus TC equal to 1380. TC value will be equal to 1380 minus 1260, which is 120. What is that 120? 120 is the value of TC, total value of TC. Perfect. If I take third one and fourth one, I'll solve one more. After that, you continue with that. HR plus FN plus OP plus TC plus TL plus AD plus MR, total value, plus HR should be equal to 780 plus 670. Perfect. So this will be equal to 0, 5, 14, 1450. I already know this total value is 1260 plus HR equal to 1450. So HR value will be equal to 1450 minus 1260, which is 190. Now what is that 190? 190 is the total HR value. Similarly, find this total values. Clear? That is the first part of the question. Now once I know this total value, I already know, let us say MR. MR is 210. If I know MR value is 210, out of 210 I have male and female. Male are 70% of 210. This gets cancelled. 7 into 21, which is 147. So 147 male are there. Then female will be equal to 210 minus 147, which is 63. That is number of females in the first value, that is MR. Now second one, I know TC equal to 120. If TC equal to 120, again I'll have male and female. How many male are there? 80%. So 80% of 120 are male. So total male will be equal to 12 into 8. In which department? In department TC. That is equal to 96 people are male. So female will be equal to 24. Okay. Third value, I'll write for one more. From there you continue. In 190, I have male and female. Male are what percentage? 40% of 190. Zeros gets cancelled, which is 19 into 4, that is 76. So 76 male are there. Female will be equal to how much? 190 minus 76, that is 114. Clear? The same way, if you frame a table, you will get something like this. Total number of people in that male percentage, which is given in the line graph, and the number of male people and number of female people. Clear with this? If you did not come to this point yet, pause the video over here, continue, find all the values, and then go to the next slide. Now question number 1. In which department is the difference between the number of male employees and the number of female employees is highest? Okay, because we already have a table, just check the differences here. If you observe the difference here, that is 175 minus 75, which is 100. So in OP, we are having the maximum difference. What is the ratio of the number of female employees in HR department to the number of male employees in TC department? Number of female employees in HR, which is 114, to number of male employees in TC department, that is 96. Quickly find the ratio. Perfect. That will be equal to 19 by 16, which is option A. Next one. What is the absolute difference between the total number of male employees and total female employees across all the 7 departments? So quickly find out this total values, total male and total female. Quickly. Perfect. Total males are 805. Now what will be the total females? Very good. that is 455. But they are not asking how many total males and females are there. We want the difference between both of them, that is 805 minus 450. Perfect, which is equal to 350, option B. The number of male employees in MR, FN and AD departments taken together is approximately what percentage more than the number of female employees in HR, OP and AD departments taken together? MR, FN and AD, MR, FN and AD, which is 147 plus 143 plus 138 by HR, OP, AD, HR, OP, AD, that is 114 plus 75 plus 92. What percentage more than the female employees? So this is not what they are asking. We need to find the difference first. So minus of 114 plus 75 plus 92. How much more? This percentage is what we need to calculate. 428 minus 281 by 281 into 100. So 428 minus 281. So 147 by 281 into 100. If it is just 140 by 140.5 by 281, then it is exactly half. Instead of 147, if it is 140.5, then it is exactly half. 142 is 280, but it is slightly more. So my answer should be slightly more than 50%. That is option C. Perfect. So with this, we'll end the video over here. Now pause the video, try to solve the problem one more time. Understand how we are solving the equations over there. And before we move on, comment down how much time you took to solve the question and also how many answers you got correct. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share and subscribe.